Hi guys, welcome back to Simi Shares. My name is Simran Chan, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. I upload videos on every Sundays and Wednesdays, and today being the first Wednesday, I've decided that I should give you a little gist on how the Wednesdays are going to look like on this channel. So on Wednesdays, I have decided that I will be creating makeup looks, and most of them would be challenging on my side, but I will try to make it as affordable as possible for y'all. So today's makeup look that you see is made by just one eyeshadow palette. I used this single eyeshadow palette by LA Colors, and so I've done my eyeshadow, my contour, my blush and my highlighter from this single piece. So the reason I'm going to do these videos is that I want to tell you all how to utilize your makeup in different ways if you all cannot afford everything at the moment. I want to keep this channel as teenage friendly as possible, and this is my virtue of it. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. Hey guys, so to start with, I will be applying a good layer of moisturizer, and I'm using the Pond's Light Moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin before you do your makeup is very essential, and you should hydrate your skin well. And I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation today. It is in the shade 118 Light Beige. Applying it in circular small spots and then blending it out with my beauty blender. The blender I am using is by PAC, and it is best if you damp your blender before you use it, because beauty blenders help in spreading out the foundation. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand and applying it on the areas where I need to conceal, and then blending it out with my wet beauty blender again, but by its tip, because it will help you to apply your makeup more precisely. Now I'm using the Lakme powder to set my under eyes, and then brushing off the excess with a brush. My base looks solid, so I'll be starting with my eyes. I'm using today the LA Colors Day to Night palette, and I will be taking a light shade to fill my crease. Since the base of the crease looks fine, I will be using a darker brown in the outer crease. I'll be playing with brown colors today because it almost goes with every outfit you wear, and it looks elegant as well. Now I'm using the dark brown shade again to fill in my crease. And now I'm going with the brown shade to contour my cheeks. Now I have said that I'll be using a single palette, so I'm using a beauty blender to tell you all that a beauty blender can work your way through it. If you do not have the money to invest in good brushes right now, don't adjust for any brush, but then if you have a good beauty blender, it works well in various ways. Now I'm applying the contour, and see, it looks just fine with the blender. Now I'm using a dark shade to outline my crease so that it has a good hue to it. Going with the same shade, I'm outlining my under eyes, and then going with the lighter shade, the sparkly one, I am doing my highlighter. Now it is not the most perfect one, but it will work if you have a single palette and you do not have the money to invest. So when you choose your palette, you have to see there is one sparkly shade at least. Now I'm going with the pinkish brown shade to do my blush, and it turns out really well. So when you're investing in your palette, you have to see that it covers everything. So I've done my eyeshadow, my lower eyes, my contour, my highlighter, my blush with the same palette. Now I don't do much to my eyebrows, so I'll just put my spoolie in my old mascara bottle, and then whatever the product comes out, I'll just brush it off on my eyebrows and I'm good to go. Now I'm using the Maybelline Matte Finish Nude Hit Lipstick, and I really like it because it goes with almost everything I wear. Now I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Liner. Now none of the products I mention are sponsored. I buy these products and I think these are really pocket friendly and worth purchasing. This is how I like my eyeliner. I don't want to go too dramatic with it because we have almost half smoky eyes here. Now I am going ahead with my Hyper Curl Maybelline Waterproof Mascara. I like my mascara dramatic. Now done with my eyes. This is how it has turned out. I really like it. Now I'm making my hair and then changing into two different outfits and showing you how one single kurta can be worn in two different ways. Going with a pair of good dainty earrings is always a good option because they look elegant and they do not have to be very costly. I have bought it from market in Mira Road, and now going in with bindi because bindis are a must when I am wearing a festive look. It looks very good on me and I think it looks good on every Indian girl. And now changing into a quick outfit by just changing my earrings and putting a dupatta. This is what I was saying, a kurta in many different ways. Now you know that you can pair it in so many ways. This is it for the video, you guys. I hope you'll like it. If you do like it, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on Sunday. Until then, ta-da!